Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Thursday 13th March 2025. 12 March 2025 UK 49 lunchtime 3 hot number member only prediction boom. 3 hot number member only prediction boom number 18, number 21, number 45. 13 January March 2025 lunchtime prediction number first number 6, number 15, number 20, number 35, number 42, booster number 5. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49 tea time prediction number first number 8, number 16, number 26, number 30, number 46, booster number 19. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now.